3-in-1 busbar processing machine. BEIENE 3-in-1 busbar processing machine can do the busbar cutting, punching and bending in one machine, with 3 independent palms. The operations of cutting, punching and bending can be processed at the same time. Cutting is by guillotine type, no cutting waste. Tower punching is with 8 stations. CNC bending is controlled by touch screen. Freely edgewise bending tool is with machine also. Whole installed and commissioned shipment as well online training program assure the quick running on arrival.